Happy December 1st, everybody. It's an episode of Cooking with Kai, a wintry December 1st, 2020, here in Ohio. We've got a roaster chicken on the grill with cherry, hickory, and applewood smoking chips. And we've got a temperature probe in there, in the breast. And that's what it looks like. There you go. And you can see the wood chips are burning off. There's a charcoal briquette right there to give it flavor. And some onion, carrots, little celery, and that's it. So we're gonna go the probe in the breast until we hit 160. And we're gonna turn it down here a little bit before we have to call the fire department. And that's it. So Carrie's busy working upstairs. And that's it. That is it. I hope you're doing well. This is crazy heavy snow. It's beautiful, but it's caused a lot of problems. I know with people with power outages and snowplow drivers and everything having a rough time. But it's supposed to warm up in a day or two, and so we decided we're going to go to the beach. No, not at all. So that's it. We're just going to do what we do in Ohio, and we stay depressed until April or May, and then everything gets better again. So take care. God bless. And Carrie says, we'll see you next time.